Hey guys, have you ever generated content using AI only to end up spending hours editing it to get the tone, structure, and flow just right? Many AI-generated texts need significant polishing, and for content creators, writers, and marketers, this can be time-consuming and frustrating. Editing to make AI-generated content sound natural and engaging can feel like a repetitive and challenging task. Imagine a tool that not only helps generate content, but also simplifies the entire editing process. The goal is to create high-quality, polished text with minimal manual editing, enabling you to spend less time tweaking AI output and more time focusing on creativity and production. That's where editGPT comes in. This innovative tool is designed to streamline and elevate the editing process for AI-generated content. editGPT leverages advanced AI capabilities to refine, restructure, and adjust your text, enhancing clarity, grammar, and flow in seconds. Whether you need content for blogs, social media, emails, or even technical documents, editGPT analyzes your draft and suggests precise improvements, making your content sound more natural and professional. Without further ado, let's dive into editGPT.
Welcome to techroot Solutions.
Go to Google and search for editGPT, then click on the first link. The link is also provided in the description of this video. This is the homepage of editGPT, where you can perfect everything you want with features like proofreading, editing, and a powerful AI editor. editGPT has more than 146.5 thousand active users, who have made more than 7.9 million edits and created over 28.2 thousand prompts using this amazing AI tool. You can get the best results at every level, choosing how in-depth you want the edits to be. You can edit any content with custom prompts or add your own for modification and structuring, making it more academic or formal. Tailor your writing for specific audiences, including cover letters for projects and more. Industry-specific editing is available, allowing users to edit technical proposals, proofread legal documents, and even format academic work, like converting bibliographies to Chicago style, among many other options. Track changes in Word documents by importing and exporting while maintaining those track changes. You can edit in over 80 languages or let the system automatically detect the language for you. Now go to the top and click Get Started for free. This is the main dashboard of editGPT. On the right side, you can see options to quickly edit documents, work on previous projects, manage billing, and access support. To start a new project, click New, or you can upload documents directly. I'll click New. This is your workstation. At the top, you can add a title to your document. For demo purposes, I'll write Introduction to editGPT. editGPT provides an auto-detect feature, which is an amazing tool. You can start a tour or provide feedback. editGPT offers 10,000 words for free. It has features like grammar checking, highlighting, proofreading, natural language adjustments, streamlining, rewriting for formality, and making content concise. You can copy text and clear text easily. In the settings, you'll find advanced features like enabling quick prompts, activating the suggestions panel, setting languages, and more. For demo purposes, I'll write something incorrect and use the grammar tool to check it. Red words indicate grammar errors, and green words show corrections by editGPT. I'll select Accept All because editGPT has made everything correct. Next, I'll click on Rewrite, transforming the sentence completely. Now I'll paste a paragraph to ensure it's correct and make it more accurate and formal. After clicking on Grammar, I'll find additional mistakes which I'll accept to make the text correct. You can also copy the text. To make the paragraph more concise, I'll click Concise, and editGPT will shorten it, making it clear and easy to understand. Lastly, let's discuss the pricing plans. Click on Billing to explore flexible pricing options. There are three main plans: Free, Pro, and Elite. The free plan is ideal for casual users with occasional editing needs, offering 10,000 words per month with a limit of 600 words per request. This plan allows you to view, accept, reject, and modify edits as needed. The Pro plan costs $10 per month for users needing more editing capabilities, providing up to 200,000 words per month with a 10,000 word request limit. You can also use custom prompts and import and export Word documents. The Elite plan is priced at $25 per month for power users who need high-volume editing, offering up to 1 million words per month with a 10,000-word limit per request, save custom prompts, and Word document imports. This is an incredible AI tool for anyone who wants to simplify their work and improve writing while achieving professional results effortlessly. Try editGPT for yourself and let me know in the comments how you've used this fantastic tool. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates on AI tools and trends.